This tutorial will look into how to integrate ChannelMax with your Sellercloud account. ChannelMax is an Amazon repricing software that allows you to automatically reprice your items and maximize your buy box percentage. Every hour, ChannelMax will send prices to items that have changed in the past 5 days using the service ChannelMax Feed Services. Sellercloud's integration allows you to do this across different products from your dashboard. You will need to enable the client setting Enable third-party product feed so that product feed is visible. ChannelMax Feed Services must be running to send updated prices. To configure a feed for ChannelMax, you need to first set up an FTP account and folder. Go to Companies, Manage Companies and find your company. Click on Toolbox and find and click on CM. Here you can add FTP account settings to ChannelMax. To configure your Sellercloud Feed Settings, on the ChannelMax Feed Settings page, check the options to determine product information to be included in the ChannelMax feed. The included fields in the feed are SKU, ASIN, Maximum Selling Price, Minimum Selling Price, MAP, FBA. Following fields are controlled based on the condition: repricing model ID, purchase price, quantity, selling venue. Note that the Include and Repricing column option must be enabled. Although you are setting up the feed in a given company, you can use the company's checkboxes to include products from other companies in the feed. Check Enable CM Feeds to automate the product price feed. Check Use Passive if the FTP connection cannot be made due to firewalls on your server, and use Secure FTP to use a secure connection with SFTP. If products and settings have already been set on ChannelMax, you can download a file with those settings from ChannelMax and import it into Sellercloud using the Import button on the CM Feed Settings page. To update the product values in bulk, use the Bulk Update Products feature. Go to Catalog, Tools and click on Import Products Info. On the Bulk Product Update panel, click on Generate Template. Generate a new template with the following column headers. Include in CM Feed, use Stop Loss Price, Amazon Price, ASIN, Amazon Pricing Rule ID. Save the template with the appropriate name and download it. Fill out the downloaded file and upload it back into the system. That's it. Thanks for watching.